Hi everybody, I'm here to tell you that um, we African, I'm African, and we African get deceived in the whole time, and we get deceived by the devil, who come and show his miracle to my great parents, and they believe the devil and they receive the voodoo in their life. But now a lot of people know that the voodoo is for the devil. So the voodoo is not for only African. We don't take that garbage anymore. A lot of people get saved. They give their life to Jesus. So people just think that because it's from Africa. No, the voodoo from the devil. We get deceived in the whole time. Africans get deceived. That's why they worship voodoo. That's why they receive voodoo. There's some people today, they still worship it because they don't have experience. They didn't know it's for the devil. And people who still worship it, voodoo, they think it's for God. The voodoo is not for God. It's not for African. There's no such a thing like African God. No. The voodoo is for the devil. So I'm African. I worship the voodoo. I believe the voodoo before, and later when I find out it's for the devil, I talk to him. I say, "Get lost. I don't want you in my life. Get lost. I don't want your power. Get lost. Get lost." So I give my life to Jesus, and I get saved. So I'm here to tell you, it's no African tradition. No, those people worship right now the voodoo because they don't know the real God. They think it's God. They don't know why, because there is a power in the voodoo. So they think because they have power, they think it's God. It's not God. It's a lot of demons. And I'm telling you, it's no African tradition. I don't obey those kind of tradition right now, because I find out the voodoo belongs to the devil. I receive the power for the voodoo. So I know that. I have that experience. So I'm here to tell you, the voodoo belongs to the devil. The voodoo is not for African, it's not for black people. Stop believing that is for African. African who want that in their life, because they don't know, they think it's God. That's why they still worship. But if they find out later on it's not for God, I'm sure the way I stop worshiping, they will stop. So I'm here to tell you, don't take a garbage. The voodoo is for the devil. The person the voodoo belongs to is the devil. It's not for us. The best person to worship is the Son of God, who is Jesus. So ask Jesus to come in your life, receive him by faith like a God, a God. So I'm here to tell you about that. Stop worshiping a voodoo. There's a power. There's a lot of demon going out there. It's the same stuff you receive is the full man demon. The demon the full man have the same demon you are receiving. You don't receive nothing good, but a lot of bad demon in your life. So you have to stop sowing that in your life. Is my message. God bless you.